Do you want to have a garden but lack space? Well, believe it or not, you don't need a sprawling yard to cultivate your own little paradise. Today, explore how to make the most of balconies, patios, and even windowsills to create a thriving garden. Starting a garden in a small space might seem challenging, but it's actually quite simple. The key is to choose the right plants and containers for your specific environment. Some plants thrive in compact environments. Herbs, for instance, are perfect for small space gardening. They don't require a lot of room to grow and can be used in your cooking. Similarly, succulents and cacti make brilliant choices for those with limited sunlight. Vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce can also be grown in small spaces. They may require a bit more attention, but imagine the satisfaction of eating homegrown produce. Now, when it comes to containers, think creatively. Anything from ceramic pots to wooden crates, even old boots or coffee mugs can be used. Just ensure they have proper drainage. And remember, plants need light to photosynthesize, so place them where they can get a good amount of sunlight. For darker corners, consider shade-loving plants or even artificial lights. Watering is another crucial aspect of gardening. Neither overwater nor underwater your plants. The key is to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Now, don't forget about vertical space. Hanging baskets, wall-mounted planters, or trellises can add a new dimension to your garden. Lastly, don't be discouraged by occasional plant casualties. Gardening is a process of learning and experimenting. In summary, make the most of your small space by choosing the right plants and containers, providing adequate light, watering correctly, utilizing vertical space, and learning from your mistakes. So, why wait? Start creating your green oasis today, even in the tiniest of spaces. Remember, where there's a will, there's a garden waiting to grow.